In this video, we will prepare the params keyword or the method, and we will understand what is the importance of the params keyword in the method. The params keyword parameter, which is used to pass a variable which carries the number of arguments to the method, and all values passed using the params must be the same data type. Okay, in case if you are using the any variable by following the params keyword, that variable should contain the same data type. I mean, all here you are passing the multiple values, so those multiple values you should be assigned the same data type. Anyway, we will check this into the program, no worries. And instead of the method, the params parameter is treated as a array, and it is commonly used when the number of input values are not fixed. We will prepare the one new program. In that new program, we will implement the this params keyword. So for this, I have taken the one new C# file, that is the params type parameter C# file. Inside of that, I have taken the class. In the class name, I have given the student marks. So the main intention of this class here is that I wanted to calculate the marks based on the student. So for that, I have taken the one method, that is the calculate total marks. Here the first parameter I am taking the student name, and then for the student I am passing the marks. Okay, so let's say 80, 75, 90. These are the marks of the student. For carrying these marks, I have taken the different parameters. So this is fine program. Okay. Now I would like to take the one more method. Let's say again calculate total marks. Okay. So in this case, I want to pass the Chandra. That is the another students. Let's assume. So here in this case, I want to pass the 60, 70, 80, and 90. Apart from that, I wanted to pass the 78. So here for the Chandra, I'm passing the different parameters. I mean, different marks. And moreover, if you see that different marks in the sense, the parameters are I have increased. I mean, total 5 subjects you can assume. For the Ravi, you can assume the 3 subjects. So in this case, I wanted to deal the same method, but the problem is here that in this method I am having the only 3 parameters, not the 5 parameters or 2 parameters. Okay, so how we can deal this? I mean, here the my intention is I don't care about the how many marks I'm passing the to the method. The thing is that the way how you have to capture those marks into this method. So that is the main important. So to avoid these problems, you can use the params keyword. By using the params keyword, you can capture the any number of marks. What I'm doing, right? Let me remove these are parameters, and I'm taking the params keyword here. Okay, and then just use the integer keyword followed by the array, integer array. So integer array which captures the multiple integers, right? So apart from that, I'm giving the marks is the one kind of a variable here. Okay, like a student name, I'm giving the marks. So now what will be happen here? Params keyword. So whenever I'm using this method, the second argument, whatever I'm passing whatever I'm passing the parameter, this parameter can capture the any number of marks. So in the first case, so whatever the first case, in this case this marks carrying the 80, 70, 90. In the second case, it will carry the 70, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 78. Okay, so the main use of the params keyword, which can be captured the your arguments followed by the array. Okay, and moreover, keep in mind when you are dealing this kind of method, all the marks should be the same data type. Okay, so for example, instead of the 75, if you give the something different value, let's say true, so definitely it will cause the error. Okay, so always we have to pass the same data type here. Now, instead of this method, the way how we are going to treat this is keep in mind the marks always it is going to be treated as a array. Okay, so now let me design this some logic instead of the method. I'm taking the integer total. I mean, my intention is that I wanted to calculate the total marks of the student. Okay, so I have taken the total 0. I'm taking the for each, and I'm saying the int mark in marks. Okay, then total is equal total plus mark. Okay, that's it. So after that, let me print the student name, and let me print the total marks also, whatever the student have the total marks. So now let me comment this code. First thing is that let's deal with the Ravi, then we will see the Chandra. Make sure that once you are executing the code, you have to start up object should be the params related program. So now if you see the output, so for the Ravi, it is the total marks is 240. Okay. So now I'm uncomment of the calculate total marks about the Chandra. Now in this case, see this. Again, if you see the output for Chandra, it is a 378. And moreover, you can calculate the single value also. Okay, if you do the 60 for let's say uh, some Mohan, I'm telling that. Now again, if you see the output, it will be the 60. Okay, so in this way you can deal the params keyword in the c#.net. In the next video we will understand the what is the optional type parameter, and we will create the one program about the optional type parameter, and also we will try to understand what is the exact use case for this optional type parameter. So all these concepts we will cover in the next video.